buddy? Yep.
What were you calling? I'm sorry, honey. I know, you want to go get gas, huh? Have you packed your bag? Are there
No.
any sheets in there? Here, I'm going to give you this.
There's sheets on the top bed.
What?
There's sheets on the top bed.
There's sheets?
Yeah.
I'm going to give you one for the bottom and 2 big black blankets again.
Alright. Oh no, there's a sheet on the bottom too. Did you give up? Did you give up, buddy? Yeah, you got it!